Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll explain how to enable multiple audio sources on your Android phone so you can play sounds from different apps at the same time. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. This app is the main control center where you manage all system features, sounds and device behavior. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. This section controls how your phone handles audio, notifications and vibration settings. Step 3. Scroll down again and tap on additional settings. These options provide advanced sound controls that are not visible in the main sound menu. Step 4. Look for options like control notification sounds, adjust volume individually, or allow simultaneous audio on the screen. These settings are important because they manage how multiple audio streams work together. Step 5. Tap the toggle to enable multiple audio sources. Once enabled, your phone can play audio from more than one app at the same time without interruption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more easy and helpful tutorials.